Nilfisk introduces the VL500 Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner series, setting new standards for wet and dry floor cleaning. VL500 is developed in cooperation with our everyday users and customers around the world, leaving you with a durable, reliable, and not to forget, easy-to-use machine. The VL500 series is available in a 35, 55, and 75-litre version with a basic wet and dry sac filter or the new innovative dual filter system. You can choose between single or dual filter depending on your specific needs. With its dual filter, the VL500 gets any job done, wet or dry, without worrying about changing the filter for the particular application. Just switch on and start cleaning. The dual filter ensures the machine is always used correctly. The unique design of the dual filter enables the VL500 to cope with liquid, dust, dirt and foam, all at the same time. For applications such as hospitality, health and hygiene, contract cleaning, production, leisure and institutions, the VL500 gives you the ultimate cleaning experience. When finishing your job, the VL500 can easily be emptied using either the drain hose or by tipping the complete machine. The innovative ergo tipping solution ensures the operator can tip even the heaviest container without much effort. Furthermore, the motorhead can stay in place when emptying the machine, making the process nice, light and easy. The VL500 comes with high-quality accessories and the optional accessories of a squeegee and flood pump. Inspection of VL500 can easily be done. Open the hinged motorhead and you have access to the filters. Single-handed locking mechanism makes operating simple. If the filter system, after inspection, is not refitted correctly, you will immediately be able to tell by the drop in performance, as vacuum will be lost at the nozzle to prevent internal damage. The VL500 contains the well-known quality of Nilfisk, and, combined with a unique design and a number of new innovations, you no longer need to cry over spilt water. Nilfisk, trusted since 1906.